Hi, Steve McGaughey, McGaughys Suspension. We're here at the 2024 SEMA show. It's our 40th year in business. So I wanted to invite you guys into our booth. We're going to do a little bit of a walk around, show you some of the trucks that we brought to SEMA show this year. Over here, I got a brand new 8-inch Ford 4-link kit that we developed. It's debuting here at SEMA. It's on our website right now. It's on a 4-link kit. It's got an SS version with billet faceplates, SS inserts. The truck is sitting on a 38-inch tire. It's a 2414. The SS version uses a stainless steel insert inside the actual part, as well as a billet faceplate on the outside. This truck comes with remote reservoirs that we build in-house specific to this application. So the spring rate and everything is designed with this coil and valving of this shock specifically. This truck has our new cradle that comes in the middle. It also has a floating traction bar that we developed that's also an SS version. So everything you see on this is actually 3 part numbers on the website. If it's something you'd like your truck to look like, you can achieve it by going to the website and checking it out. On the other side is our shop truck. It actually is a 4.5-inch F250 lift kit. It's a radius arm lift kit. In our radius arms, this also is an SS version. So it has a stainless steel accent plate with billet faceplates. Our radius arms use that bonded bushing, so you don't have to maintenance them. It has a dual stage coil with a shock, our M84 line of shocks that we build in-house, valved specifically to this spring rate. It's not just happens to be the right length for this shock on this truck. We build it specifically for this application. Everything that you need to achieve this comes in the kit. It comes with a 4.5-inch block in the rear. It has a dual rate coil spring. The only upgrade that we offer for this is if you'd like to do upgraded floating traction bars, or if you decide you wanted to do like a braided brake line, it's also an option on this. This truck is running a 18x9 with a 5-inch backspace, a 38-1350 Toil MT tire. Really happy with how this truck sits. It's got an all-around just nice rugged look. This truck is sitting on our brand new 3.5, 5.5 lowering kit. The front's been lowered 3.5 inches, the back 5.5. The front has our new in-house M84 remote reservoir strut. We have a reservoir mount that mounts on the frame. It uses your factory coil spring so it doesn't jeopardize the ride. It also has a new upper control arm to correct the ball joint angle. In the rear, it's a flip kit, shock extender, and a lift shackle to achieve it. We decided to run a 20x10 Budniks all the way around. We did narrow the axle 7 inches in the back so we could get a little bit of a staggered race look to it. That's what this is set up. It also has a Whipple supercharger and a bunch of other cool stuff coming. So this is our 2024 GMC AT4. This is the kit you guys have probably seen going around, super popular right now. It's a 4-inch lift kit, doesn't widen the track width at all, minimal cutting for the rear cross member. Everything you need to complete it comes in the kit. It comes with our M84 shocks, built specifically to this application as well. This truck is sitting at 4 inches. We do have our upper control arm on it with billet ball joint caps. It's sitting on an 18x9 with a 5.7 backspace, a 37-1250 Nitto tire, with just minor trimming to be able to run this. So that's pretty much all the trucks that are in our booth right now. That's everything that we brought here. If you guys would like any more info on any of these trucks that you see here in our booth, hit us up, check out our YouTube page, social media, call us at the shop, look on our website. We got more info coming available for all these trucks.